Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Thank you so much for always watching my videos. I do appreciate your support all the time. So many people asked me, Nate, how do you edit your videos? Well, I do use an application called iMovie. I've made so many videos with iMovie and I'm using my phone. That is an iPhone 8 Plus. So the first thing you have to do is to send your video from the phone or from the camera to your PC, and then you open iMovie and use it the way I'm going to teach you. So let's get into it. So we are going to start by opening the application, that is the iMovie. Just to go to Finder, iMovie is here, so just have to double click it so it opens. iMovie. Yes, so this is my iMovie that I use to edit my videos. Oh, this was a segment on the last project, but I think I need it because I add it on every video that I publish. So there are various, labels here: my media, audio, titles, backgrounds, and transitions. So we need my media. There are so many videos here that I do edit, but today I want to edit a different video and I want to show you how I import it. So I have opened my iMovie here. Now I have to import a video. I can import a video in two ways. I can just put this iMovie this side and I select any movie from the desktop. For example, certificate, this movie. Or I can use this arrow to import a video from any location. Let me show you. Delete this and then go to import. You see? So if you go to my name, then it shows you different locations, but I just need a video from a desktop, so I'll just have to go to the desktop directly. The video I want, I named it certificate. So import, selected. So that video will appear down here. Yeah. Sometimes the videos might not, appear just here. They might be within these videos. That's why dragging the video from the desktop to here is far better, because this takes time and it's not a guarantee that the video is going to appear here. It's still loading in. Yeah, this is the video. It's here. So I'll just drag it and I put it this side, and then we can start. So if you're using Mac, there is a delete button, and below delete button there are two. There is a button that has two slashes. So if you press that button, the video starts automatically from the beginning. Yeah. So if, for example, you want to delete this part from here to here, what you can do is just, stop the video. You put the cursor here, and then if you're using MacBook Air 2018 version, just have to double click. Then it brings you split clip, and if you wanna cut it from here up to here, then you press your cursor here and then double click again, or just use your two fingers and click once. Well, we're using different models, so whichever. And then you can just press delete, and then that part can go out. So if I want to remove this part, for instance, I just have to again right click or double click, whatever you use on your PC, and then even here I split again, and then I can just click on that clip until it shows that yellow lining, and then I delete that. So how do I embed pictures on top of these videos? I make sure that all the pictures are here, and then I can drag any picture on top here. So when I bring the picture, you can see that it's covering my main video. So what I can do, I can just click in that picture just to make sure that there is that yellow lining, and then after I go to here to make sure that, I don't know if you can see this line, but it shows that your picture is just kind of cropped. So you can leave out these skinny bands and just go to fit so that the entire picture is showed, and then you go to here. So you can choose cutaway, green blue screen, split screen, and then picture in a picture. So let's see how everything is. Let's first choose cutaway and see how it looks like. Cutaway covers everything. So this works in case you want to cover the part of the video, where you were talking but the pictures were not good, or you wanted to cover something, that's visual. So that's that's when cutaway comes in. But if you want to show that, you can use this blue green screen. This will be just kind of embedded inside. Yeah, so you see, it shows the background pictures. And then if you choose, just have to play around with this. Actually, split screen, that means that one part of your video, one part will be a video, one part will be the picture. And then if you choose picture in a picture, which I mostly use depending on the video I'm editing, just have to enlarge the corners to any size you want, and then it can appear just like that. So that's how I edit my videos. And if I want to cut any video, I can cut anywhere, or if I want to trim the end, I can put the cursor here. When you put the cursor at any end, you have those two arrows, so you have the capability to just hold and then drag. You can drag inside or outside to cut off that end. It stops there because I cut off the other end by just dragging. And if you want to recover that end, you can drag forward to recover that end. You see that it stops here. Or you can press Command Z. If you're using MacBook Air, you can do Command Z so that entire piece comes back. So let me cut clip, delete this, and then I press Command Z. You see, it's back. So after that, I go here and I start exporting. I export the file, and then there are various resolutions here. There is this and this and this. I always go for 1080, and then quality high. This is really good high. You can go for best, but the thing is that this requires a lot of space. Let me show you. You see, it's 14 GB. But if you go for high, it's just 1 GB or 2 GB. So you just have to be careful when you're selecting the quality. I think we have also 4K, something like that. And then you can use better quality. Go for better quality, and then you press next. You can name your movie, for example, certificate 2, and then you can select the location. I mainly go for desktop, and then you press save. So you will see this circle, and you'll notice that after some time it will start showing that your video is exporting. It will show the white color. The white color represents how much of your video has been exported so far. Yeah, so you can see that the white color has appeared here. It's like pie chart, that's the percentage of the video that has been exported. But since I don't need this video, I will just cancel this video. Yeah, this is also another tip. If you want to cancel your video, you can just click here. Yeah, it's cancelled. Yeah, so that's how I edit my videos. Thank you so much, guys. If there is anything that you want to learn, about my videos, you can just ask me. And there are so many things I play around with. For example, increasing the volume. Yeah, I really advise you to increase the volume of your videos before you start editing. How do you do that? Once you import the video, you just have to click in the video and then go here. This is the volume, so you can increase it to 400 if you don't have a microphone. If you have a microphone, you can put it to 300 or 350. Don't reach 400 because it will be way too much volume, which will be which will make some weird noise when you're listening to it. So yeah, if I use my microphone, I already set it to 3%. Can't have education anywhere without sponsors. Yeah, I think you can hear that my volume has increased. And then if you want to change the color, you can just play around here. Just increase anything you want here. You can just set it back to normal. You can just play around with these colors. Depends on how you love your video. And here you can reduce background noise. For example, if you took your video in a place where there are so many things like cars, people talking, you can just click reduce background noise and then just increase it to 100. So let me hear. Wow. Yeah, and then you can for example, if you want this part to be quick, what you can do is just click here. This is like for timer or time. You can make it slow. But when you make it slow, make sure that you put the volume to 0 because it will make really weird noise. Let me show you what it does. Yeah, I don't like that voice. Yeah, and you can make it fast, really fast. Yeah, if that's what you want. Fast means running. Yeah. Yeah, but when you make it fast, yeah, if you don't want people to hear what you're saying, then you can just have to make sure that the volume is at 0. Yeah, so yeah, you can play around with anything, but I mainly play around with the volume, background noise, and then the speed. Mainly that, and sometimes the color. Mainly that. Yeah, so thank you so much, guys, and don't forget to subscribe.